All right, we are here with John, Teresa, at Chamber Bay's gravel factory ruins. What's it called? Something like that.
It's a golf course too.
Yeah, everyone's heard of the golf course. No one cares about that.
And that's
All right, let's go check.
right.
He says there is a tunnel down here that we probably can't get into.
Maybe it's blocked off. It'd be awesome to go in it. Yeah.
Let's go look.
Yeah.
All right, we're in.
All right. So you can
We shouldn't be in over
You
here.
guys come out. Just like push this fucker up. There we go.
If we never come back, we died in here.
Yeah, I didn't do. Looks nice in here. Oh shit! Is there? Be careful of bats. That might not be good. We don't want to get bit by a bat.
I don't.
I have rabies.
What'll happen to me? Will I
you
turn into
too
a vampire?
Let's get bit by.
Where's the bat?
Well, I don't know. I think they're asleep. Don't wake them up.
Bats don't make nests like that. That's like a swallow.
Is it a swallow?
Probably. I think bats just hang from the ceiling, don't they? I could be wrong. I'm not a bat expert. What are bat experts called? Batologists?
That
Batologists?
doesn't sound creepy.
We're inside the tunnel.
Okay, we're losing light.
We don't know where this tunnel goes. There's a light on the other end. We all just got in a car wreck and this is where we are.
It's the proverbial light at the end of the
Now we're
tunnel.
walking towards the light.
The question is, Carol Ann,
We don't know where we're going. We still have our cell phones. We're able to record this. This is amazing. The air is better down here than
this
outside.
is the stake we're going to need to use to kill the vampires that are down here.
Okay.
Yeah, there's some kind of a nest and a bunch of broken wires, and it is
We should wait till people come by. Hey, let us out!
fully locked, so we're gonna have to go all the way
We're
back.
trapped!
I'm gonna run because I'm scared. Hey, what are you doing down there?
I don't know. I just all of a sudden ended up here.
Damn kids,
And
you're meddling around here.
luckily there's a hole in the fence.
Mm,
Leave them.
it's got all these foot markings on there. And what was this? I wonder if they had like storage bins or.
These little bins
Hi.
that held the gravel.
Then you got all the rich golfers over there. We're the poor gravel pit people. Cutters! Cutters! You guys ever see that?
No. What was that? Oh, was that in
Breaking away. All the townies were called cutters because they worked in the gravel pits.
Is that like a surfing movie? Or no, I guess that would be a golf.
So there it is. This was Pioneer Sand and Gravel, and they got this big kind of, I don't know what you call it.
And that plane went down, Bruce, like literally
Just on the other side.
right out there.
Right out there is where the
This is
plane
it
went
was
down.
doing the backflip.
It was up here doing tricks when the guy stole that plane. Here, for perspective, you can see how large this is. And there's a, I think there's a hawk. So I can't really make out. That's a bald eagle. It looks more like a hawk. And if you look up there, is his nest. It's a big nest. It's like an eagle's nest, it looks like. See if we can get closer. If you look really close, you can see him hanging his head out of there. He's been cheeping. So that's probably an adolescent getting ready to fly soon. He's peeking down at me right now. You can can see him. Walking out towards the water, you can see in the distance there's where the eagle, or not the eagle, we figured out it was an osprey actually. Thanks to Teresa, she figured it out, and then we checked it out on the app, and the osprey is what that bird is. Or something of a tree, but it almost looks like a little hut. Somebody built. Hey John.
Hi, University Place, Tacoma.
Kobayashi Park.
Yep.
And this used to be at someone's house, and they donated it as a park.
House.
So they turned this little info center. Used to be a house. We got all gutted out and turned into like an info center. And we're gonna go check out.
And there's salmon that run through here.
The river, in Kobayashi Park.
Probably not anymore. I guess they just